Hello, my beautiful people. So today I'm going to connect my topic with the shopping. So in a situation, you are out for shopping with your friends and you see something very nice and your friend says, it looks very nice on you, you should buy, my dear friend. But you glance at the price tag, feel the pinch and says, oh, I don't really need it. It feels like waste of money, but deep down, you do want it. You just can't afford that right now. Instead of admitting that you're feeling broke or awkward, your brain smooths it over and I'm being smarter and self-controlled. I'm not going to buy that. So that's called as rationalization. For example, your friends, they are throwing the party, but you are not invited. Now there is a question for you, how you will handle that situation if you will be asked why you were not invited in that party, why you are alone. So here I have asked a question that I'm going to ask again at the end of the video, and you have to answer that. So here our secret agent again, the ego defense mechanism, rationalization, will talk about that. That is, make it make sense. Rationalization is your mind's way of protecting you from emotional pain or disappointment by creating logical but untrue explanation for your feelings or actions. It's like your brain says, I'm not hurt, I just did not care that much anyway. But in reality, you did care. But admitting it would sting too much. So your mind covers it up with the convenient story. So do you know why we people rationalize? Because sometimes protecting your why we people emotional stability feels more urgent than facing reality. And that's okay as long as we stay aware and don't let it become denial. Rationalizing is not lying to the world. It's our mind's way of being kind to us when reality feels too harsh to us. Emotional stability feels more urgent than facing reality, and that's okay. And now we'll talk about the real life work example. What happened? You work so hard in your office, but you did not get promotion. And what you will say if somebody will ask why you're not getting promoted? You say, honestly, I did not want that extra stress anyway. But in reality, you are hurt and disappointed. But rationalizing, helping you to protect your ego, that why you are not getting promotion while you are working so hard. Now we'll talk about that question I have asked you, that your friends thrown a party and why you were not getting invited. And if you were not invited, what will be your answer? You will say they probably thought I was too busy to come anyway. That is your rationalization. But in reality, you feel hurt or left out. But instead of admitting that, you create a respectable reason to avoid that feeling of being rejected. So in simple words, I can say rationalization is your brain's polite way of saying it's fine, when deep down it is not fine. But you have to protect your self-esteem to avoid emotional discomfort and to regain a sense of control when life feels unfair. So I hope you like today's topic, and if you like today's topic, you can always subscribe my channel. You can also give your feedback, you can comment, and you can like my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.